Welcome to the hidden gem of Greece, Ammouliani Island. Nestled in the azure waters of the Aegean Sea, this enchanting island is a paradise waiting to be explored. With its pristine beaches, vibrant local culture, and mouth-watering cuisine, Ammouliani Island offers a unique and unforgettable vacation experience. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply seeking relaxation, this island has it all. So grab your sunscreen, put on your adventure hat, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through the wonders of Ammouliani Island. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.